Hey everybody, this is Long 13 here. Just wanted to show you guys a couple of things I've been working on. This is my new magazines here. Got my old ones that I've done. Here's one of the new ones I just did tonight. Here's another one I did tonight. Here's one of my old ones. Hopefully you like these. I think they look pretty cool. Just get a look at both sides. So those are my magazines I've been working on. Hope you like them. Give me a comment on them. Let me know which ones you like the best. Thank you very much. Have a good day.